Hello, I'm at my newest listing at 7356 Sorrel Court in the Sonoma Point subdivision in northeast Columbus, Georgia, Fort Benning at 31909 area code. This property is 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, approximately 22 square feet, located near schools and shopping in JR Allen Parkway. Look at the description below for more details and also the pricing. Thank you.
This is the view of the front of the property. Sonoma Point is off Warm Springs Road in northeast Columbus, area code 31909. View of the foyer. Another view of the foyer with the staircase with wooden tread. View down the hall leads to the dinette area, kitchen, and the family room. View from the stairs looking back toward the foyer and downstairs. View from the kitchen, from the family room view, granite, recessed lighting, tile, backsplash, stainless steel appliances. View from the kitchen to the dinette area and the family room area. Family room area has a electric fireplace. This is the living room, which has been converted to an office, which is just off the front foyer. Got judges' chambers on the bottom, the paneling. Crown molding back in the family room. Another view of the family room. Property's close to I-185 and JR Allen Parkway. Also close to Publix, Walmart, other shopping, car dealers, and restaurants. It's also walking distance to Flat Rock Park and the Rails to Trails bike trail, which you can ride all the way from Flat Rock Park to Fort Benning and downtown, or they call Uptown Columbus. All 4 bedrooms are upstairs. Plenty of closet space. There's even special closet space under the stairs. That bedroom actually connects to the guest bath in the hallway. Here's the guest bath in the hallway. The 3rd bedroom. Master bedroom with tray ceiling. Very spacious room, probably about 20 feet by 20 feet. Plenty of windows on the back. A view toward the master bath. Tile in the master bath. Plenty of closet space. Executive height counter with granite. Nice cabinets. Plenty of light. Stand-up shower, soaker tub. Separate toilet area. View of the back of the house, completely fenced yard, patio, playground.
If you'd like to see this property, make an appointment with your realtor or look at the information below for contact information. There will not be a lockbox. It's by appointment only. Thank you and have the best day ever.